blessings in the air. Stars above are glowing, oceans wide and deep, whispers of His mercy in every breath we keep. Mountains